Homemade Ubtan recipe for fair and soft skin. Hello everyone, welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. There are a ton of customs without which a customary wedding is not completed. What's more, one such custom is the haldi service. In this function, the bride-to-be is blessed with Ubtan, a face pack made of different characteristic fixings. The homemade Ubtan encourages the bride to parade a brilliantly gleaming skin on her wedding, as it expels the tan and lights up her composition. Homemade Ubtan for fair skin recipe. Ingredients: soap 2 tablespoons, rosewater 3 tablespoons, aloe vera juice 1 tablespoon, glycerin 1 tablespoon, lemon 3 drops, vitamin E oil 2 capsules, turmeric powder 1/4 tablespoon, gram flour 3 tablespoons, rice flour 3 tablespoons, dry milk 2 tablespoons. Method: take a bowl and mix soap and rose water in the bowl. Add aloe vera juice, glycerin, lemon, and vitamin E oil. Add the dry ingredients one by one and mix very well. Make sure that there is no lump formation. Apply the mixture on your face, neck, hands, and legs. Leave it for 20 minutes and then wash with cold water. In the end, this is the very simple and magical recipe of homemade Ubtan that will give fair skin to the bride.
Thank you. Like our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and find out to one place on our official website.